Assalamualaikum everyone. Get ready for a colorful ABC fruits journey. A is for apple. 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 Crunchy and sweet. B is for banana. 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 A yummy treat. C is for cherry. 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 Tiny and red. D is for dragon fruit. The dragon fruit. The dragon fruit with spikes on its head. E is for elderberry. Elderberry. Elderberry, small and round. F is for fig. Fig, growing near the ground. G is for grapes. Grapes. Grapes that come in a bunch. H is for honeydew. Honeydew. Honeydew, perfect to munch. I is for Icaco. Icaco. Icaco, a small tropical plum. J is for jackfruit. Jackfruit. Jackfruit, the biggest one. K is for kiwi. Kiwi. Kiwi with fuzzy brown skin. L is for lemon. Lemon. Lemon that makes you grin. M is for mango. Mango, juicy and bright. N is for nectarine. Nectarine. Nectarine, smooth and light. O is for orange. Orange, full of seed. P is for pineapple. Pineapple. Pineapple, growing by the sea. Q is for quince. Quince with a golden glow. R is for raspberry. Raspberry, soft like snow. S is for strawberry. Strawberry, heart-shaped and red. T is for tangerine. Tangerine, easy to spread. U is for ugly fruit. Ugly fruit. Ugly fruit, funny name. V is for Voavanga. Voavanga, rare in the game. W is for watermelon. Watermelon, so big and sweet. X is for Xigua. Xigua, a watermelon treat. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Yellow passion fruit, dainty inside. Z is for Ziziphus Jujuba. Ziziphus Jujuba. Ziziphus Jujuba, a tiny sweet fruit.